Assalamu Aleikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh to all of my lovely friends and family. I hope you're all in the best state of health with sound Iman. Welcome back to Iwat's Healthy Eating Kitchen. In today's video, Bidin Ta'ala, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make a Riro using 3 different types of leaves. So let's get started. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. The first thing that I need to do is to get my pepper ready. It is very important to get the most fresh pepper you can find. This will enable the Riro to maintain its freshness for longer time after it's been cooked. The full details of the ingredients will be added to the description section below, so kindly check it out. Next is to chop the pepper using blender if possible without water. While the chopping of the pepper is going on the other side, I'm preparing my stockfish. A link to the full details on how this is done will be added to the description section below. Next thing to do is to pre-boil your pepper. This process will take between 30 minutes to 40 minutes. Depends on the amount of money. Did I just say the amount of money you have in your pepper? Wow. Oga ara mi ń wá owó nìyẹn o. Owó àpèkánukò. Anyway, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala enrich us all. Amen. Moving on, this depends on the amount of water you have in your pepper. At this stage, I'm going to be having in my crayfish, dried crayfish, so that the pepper can enter it. The next thing I'm adding to my stew is called epper. I don't know what the English name is, but it's the inside of the Ponmo. You get it from the inside of the cow skin. So I'm adding it to the epper. We used to eat it in Ilorin. Then this used to be a source of protein for poor people, in which we fall into that category then. Alhamdulillah for his immense blessing on my family. I don't know about now whether it's still only poor people that eat it. Anyway, it is something that I like, and it is very delicious when you use it to make a Riro or egusi soup. It's been soaked overnight and it's been mixed well with the pepper. Next in line is to add in my African cheese. This is called Wara in Yoruba. This type of Wara is made from the Tapa people that they make it. They call it Wara Tapa. It's very dry and they put it in the stick. The stick has been removed and it's been soaked overnight. Then pre-boiled with salt for like 30 minutes. And this is the end result. So I'm adding it to the pepper. I'll keep adding some things to it until the water is dry. After like 2 minutes, my shower is ready to go in. And the shower has been soaked overnight with boiling water. With boiling water, I mean. I'm very sorry for the earlier noise. It's one of the alarm that indicates the amount of carbon dioxide you have in the air. Next, I'm going in with my black Ponmo. I'm going to be using 2 different types of Ponmo. This is the black one, the one that you normally soak in the water and you buy from the market like that. And the white Ponmo, the one that soak overnight by myself. You can hear that the alarm is not stopping. Next is to add in the stockfish. And I've been in the kitchen for more than 1 hour now. So I have no option than to stop cooking, because if you stay in the kitchen that is full of carbon dioxide, you get tired easily. This is what I'm able to arrive at. I'm very tired now, so I'm going to take a break. So I'll continue later. As I always say, part of self-love and self-care is to take a break when your body needs one. So give your body its due right by learning and listening to the language it spoke. Remember, your body is an amana to you, and taking care of it is an art of ibadah. I leave you with this word: Love yourself, because nobody can love you the way you will love yourself. Assalamu Alaikum. Welcome back to Iwat Healthy Kitchen. This is the following day, and the first thing that I'm going to focus on is the preparation of the vegetables. This vegetable is coming from all the way from Nigeria, So if you want to bring your vegetable from Nigeria, you say you buy it from the people that bring it from the farm, direct from the farm. They call it from the people that bring it from Oko. This vegetable is called a foshoko. If you are bringing your vegetable from Nigeria and you know that you won't have time to cook it on time, try to buy the one that water has not been added to. This will enable the vegetable to maintain its freshness. For example, this vegetable has been with me for 6 days now, and it still maintains its freshness even though I did not put it in the fridge. But if water has been added to it, you will see it will start to get spoiled, like this, for example, because a little bit of water has dropped onto this, so it starts to get spoiled. The vegetable was soaking the water to remove the sand and the stones. This is the second water. It still needs to be rinsed again. This is another way of cleaning my efo. I add it to the sieve, then I run water on it. You see how clean the water is. This method enables me to be sure that there is not any hidden sand in the efo or vegetable. This is to add some salt to the efo and steam it up. I make sure I mix all the salt together before putting it on the cooker to steam. While the efo is steaming, I'll be preparing the ugu. This is what I've been trying to explain to you regarding having water on your efo. This efo has been wet with water. You can see that most of it is getting spoiled now, so I have to remove it. This one was also bought from Nigeria, but water has been added to it, so I need to remove all the spoiled bits, which is a lot. Despite the fact that it was put in the fridge, it still gets spoiled. So whenever you want to buy your vegetable from Nigeria, don't buy the one that has been wet with water, especially if you're not going to be using it straight away. Time to slice your efo. You can choose to slice this into smaller pieces or bigger pieces, depends on what you like. For me, I like to feel the efo in my stew, like the leaf part of it, so I choose the medium cut. But if I'm using it for efo elegusi, I will have preferred smaller cut. What about you? How do you prefer to cut your efo? Alhamdulillah, the efo has finished steaming, so I'm going to take it off and the ugu has been cleaned as well. Can you see the amount of sand in my efo? Imagine if I did not take my time to clean the efo properly. The efo will just be sandy, just be eating sand. Add palm oil, about 100 ml. While I prepared the onions, additional oil can be added if you like, but I choose to use the minimum oil possible because I want to stay healthy as much as possible. Adding too much of oil or little oil does not affect the taste and the end result of the cooking, which is efo riro. Add the diced onion and let it fry. Onion is being fried. I prepare the Egun, the locust beans. I'm using 200 grams of the locust beans. I always work hard to clean my locust beans, and it always takes me a lot of time because I don't like the black things in it, and I don't like the hair big parts in the locust beans. So it takes me time. I always take my time to clean it. This is one of the secret ingredients for having the best efo riro, because the more of the locust beans you use, the less mangi you tend to use. The onions are finished frying and the locust beans are finished frying. So it's time to add it to my onion and stir fry. I'm using a lot of the locust beans because I love it. Once I'm going in to add in my blend pepper and it's been boiled, this is the traditional way of preparing your base for your efo riro. I have this leftover oil from resting, so I'm adding some of it. This to enable the pepper to fry, which brings the total of oil used to be 250 ml. Adding my fish. That is a good bowl. Mix it well. Followed by 100 grams of crayfish. I'm very sorry regarding the alarm noise again. Unfortunately, I can't stop the cooking this time around, so kindly bear with me. Add 2 tablespoons of minced herb and mix well. Tablespoon of Shawa powder, blended Shawa powder. 3 tablespoons of crayfish powder. Next, I'm adding in my eja oson. Eja oson is one of the sweet dry fish. I don't know the English name for this fish. So please, if you know the English name for the eja oson, please kindly share on the comment section below. Adding the base that I prepared last night before I become tired and I went to bed. So I'm going to add it to that and I'll mix it together before adding my efo to it. Alhamdulillah, the sauce is ready, and the next thing is for me to add in the efo. But because my husband doesn't like efo riro, so I'm going to, but he loves the base, so I'm going to take some off and add egusi for him before I add my own efo. Adding the efo, I'm going to add in the spring onion. Followed by the ugu. Then I will mix it well. I've finished mixing, so I'm going to cover it and let it steam for 5 minutes before adding the shoko. 5 minutes is over. Next is to add in the shoko. It was mixed well before adding effect. I follow it up with baby spinach. I'm using 1 kg in total. After finish adding all of the spinach, it was then mixed together and covered to steam for 5 minutes. Alhamdulillah ala kulli ni'mat. This is the look of the efo riro. Jazakumullahu khairan for watching. I do appreciate you if you are able to watch this video to this point. I have one question for you. What would you like to eat your Riro with? For me, I'll be serving mine with leftover rice before packing the rest to be stored in the freezer.
Alhamdulillah, Iman. This is the end result of my Riro. It's been packed and it's going to be stored in the freezer.
Jazakumullahu khairan for watching. Please kindly share, like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. With this, I leave you in the care of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Stay blessed and safe with lots of love. Iwat.